Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Circle of Willis template. So what is the Circle of Willis diagram or template? The Circle of Willis is an arrangement of arteries located in the base of the brain. It is connected to the brain's major arteries and supplies consistent blood flow between the brain's anterior and posterior arteries. In the event that one of our brain's major arteries becomes narrow and slows blood flow, or there is a blockage where blood flow stops, the Circle of Willis maintains blood circulation by redirecting the blood flow to interconnected branches. This redirection is called collateral blood flow, which means that alternative routes will be used. This diagram allows people to see how the arteries are spread out and what parts of the brain they are connected to. This makes the diagram ideal for neurologists amongst other doctors because it serves as a reminder of what it looks like and it can be used for educational purposes. Many doctors tend to display the diagram within their office for a refresher and to help educate patients. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, however it is commonly used by respiratory and cardiology doctors and nurses. Here's how to use the Circle of Willis diagrams. The first step is to download the assessment. The second step is to consult the diagram when needing a refresher on artery configuration or if you're needing to demonstrate knowledge to a patient. To view a sample template of the Circle of Willis diagram, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the Circle of Willis through our platform. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keywords to find the note to download. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.